Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we're doing more with, of course, our pumpkin spice cup noodles. Today I'm doing something I haven't done before. So this is going to be interesting. I already made a loaf of bread that came out really quite nicely with this stuff. But now I'm going to make a loaf of bread that is 100% this stuff. Some water, maybe, I don't think it's gonna need extra sugar, maybe a pinch of salt, of course yeast, but we're gonna use this as an emulsifier. This is soy lecithin. I've been told by the god of flour that will work way better. I've been using eggs to try to make a 100% instant noodle flour. And we'll just see how this goes. I don't know how much I'm gonna need to do. I've got 4 cases of these noodles, so hopefully I won't go through too many, because these are kind of fun. But yeah, so let's get started. Well, it's done and it feels very, very strange. Let's take it out. Oh, it smells funny and it looks really weird. It didn't rise much at all and it's very springy. I'm gonna put this in the fridge for a little bit and then I'm gonna try to slice it. Yeah, so here's what we got. Look at that. It is dense. It didn't really rise. It's just kind of look. Oh God, it looks like shake and bake. Like if you took a pork chop and you breaded it. I guess it's time to give it a try. Cheers. Well, it tastes like pumpkin spice. It's very moist. I don't know how it's possible, but I kind of like it. Yeah, the crunchiness on the outside and the kind of smooth, almost like the consistency of like nougat in a Milky Way bar, it kind of works, but as far as being like bread, that's quite a stretch of the imagination. I don't have anything that I can really do with this stuff, so I can just put it on a plate. What would make me happy is the ability to get this stuff to have like lots of bubbles in it and rise more. Still though, I don't know. We'll have to go back to the drawing board on this. Maybe like triple the yeast. I really don't know. But anyways, thanks for watching. It's all about doing these experiments. It's a lot of fun for me. I never know what's gonna happen, and generally what happened here wasn't really like a win or a lose. It's just, it did what it wanted to do. So it's a really interesting thing. But yeah, doesn't that kind of look like some kind of weird fried coated piece of meat? I don't know. But anyways, thanks for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Make something weird. Have a good one. Bye.